All right, so we're in the Woodlands, and you can see eagles. There's a huge eagle nest, and actually he's flying right now. I don't know if you can see him, but he's flying up there. So I'm gonna get the camera out. We're gonna spend a little bit of time taking some pictures and whatnot. I'll post a picture, a screenshot of where we are. So that way, if you want to come check them out, you can. There's a huge nest. It's probably, I'd say probably 7 feet wide. It's huge. So we're gonna get set up, take some pictures. So the eagle is right up there. It's pretty crazy to see an eagle in the Woodlands. So yeah, if you're ever in the area and you want to come by and check it out. So there was a parking garage next to where the eagles were, so I ran up top and got some pictures above the tree line, so I was shooting down into the nest, and it's crazy. It's so cool to see like natural, like wild animals like that, like in their in a natural habitat. Like, it's so cool to see. All right, well that's a wrap for taking some pictures and videos of the eagle. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching the video. If you want to come see the eagle, I mean, he's out here on Lake Woodlands, so just drive slow and look for him. Make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment. So thanks, guys.